Guys, we are giving away motorcycle gear. Link is in the description. Over $800 every single month. Ooh, $5 to enter. Oh, that hurts. All right, watch out around that corner. If he fell, somebody else is going to possibly do it. You're in a group ride. There's some more people. Block traffic. Oh! Oh, did somebody else just crash? Yep, somebody else just crashed. So this was all that was sent in. There's not anything else. I don't think. Is there more? So let's go back to that. And it's a little blurry. It was a little blurry. It's perfectly fine though. We can decipher what's happening. All right, so we're riding. Okay, this is a good space cushion when you're in a group ride. This is what I would be doing. Great distance, great space cushion. Nobody is like, you know, here. You know, like nobody's like close. I like the fact that they are this far apart. So if you're going to be riding in a group ride in the mountains, do this, because now you're able to see all of this just in case you have to ride your own ride, just in case there's a pothole, just in case there's something there. See, the scary thing though is that it's a blind turn. See how this is as far as you get to see? And that means you have to ride within that. Okay, never assume that the rest is clear. Okay, so we got signage right here. We're increasing the speed. You heard the RPMs go up. This says it's a 25-mile-an-hour recommended 90-degree turn. So this right here, this is what I talk about, making sure you're scanning and planning and everything, okay? You're looking for all these things. You're looking for these turn signs, because that's going to let you know how sharp of a turn. And I don't say go down to 25. I'm saying if the speed limit is, let's say, 55 and it's recommended 25 for normal vehicles, that's a huge decrease in speed that's recommended for this. So that means you should probably take that into consideration when it comes to going around this corner. So be very careful with that. I would still at least roll off the throttle and apply some brake pressure, getting ready for it. Slow look, press and roll, everything. All right, as soon as you see this and you see that they're not in the same line that you are and they kind of went off and did this, just assume that they're going to crash. Now, here's the thing. Don't keep looking at this rider. Don't keep looking at them. Let's go ahead and get that actually around them. You need to continue on with your path. You need to continue on doing this because you're going to end up over here with them. And that's the whole target fixation. So it's very hard to like look and then be like, oh crap, they're going to crash. But it's like, oh crap, they're going to crash. Now I know how to rescue them. That's their emergency. I need to make this turn. I'm going to still slow down and do everything I need to do to stop as soon as I can. But don't follow that person. And the way you follow is by staring at them. And you're going to see that. I mean, you see it in this video. So you just witnessed the mechanism. Okay, so you know you're in a group ride, and this is where it's very, very important to have good communication with your whole group ride. And look at that. At the very tippity top, it says Cardo right there. You grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk Bold, guys. Go ahead and do it. Or the Free Coms or the Slims or whatever it is you want to do. They just upgraded to JBL speakers. But anyways, grab some of those. That way you're able to communicate with people and say, hey, somebody crashed, slow down. And it's this nice mesh system. So even if someone's far and you come back, it connects. But the main thing is I use it for that safety aspect when I'm in a group ride. So everyone that I ride with locally, we have them so we can talk. I'm in the back, so if anybody crashes, I call it out. You know, and vice versa. Somebody in front, they call it out. I'm prepped and ready with my med kit, trauma kit, everything. Grab yourself a Cardo. Link is in the description. You get a discount. If you click that link, it automatically applies. So anyways, great integration. So I'd be calling. I'd be like, hey guys, don't come this way. You know, or slow down. Diminisher, welcome to the crew, baby. Slow down, because we got somebody that crashed. That way he gives them a heads up.
You okay?
So he's saying it like, you okay? It's like, read my lips from here, but if you had that Cardo, you could actually talk to them. So in this situation, what I'd be doing if he had a headset, I had a headset, I'd be like, get off the road, because I know that there's other people coming. So we got the initial person coming. This person kind of figured it out, and it's not going to do anything. This person probably saw the bike and is like, oh, crap, I'm going to go into it. Their concentration was removed from actually riding the ride. Almost impacted the rider, and then now we almost have a second patient because of one. Now we have another patient right there. We're actually looking at this guy, but this guy over here is going to go off the cliff, basically. Because you can see some of the dust kind of going that way. So now you have two patients. One of them is the one that crashed is even more severe. So if you're out in a group ride and that was you crashing because you saw the buddy in front of you crash, well, now you have two patients, but you might be more severe and you're the one with the medical knowledge. That's why you have to pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. Good job on this rider though for stopping. Now, grab your trauma kit. So the guy's walking. Good, good, good. I'd still grab it just in case, leave it on the ground. If nobody uses it, nobody uses it. Whoa, that was a pretty crazy crash. Well, maybe they should have been talking to each other by using the Pack Talk Bold from Cardo. Thank you so much for Cardo for sponsoring this channel. Make sure you click the link in the description. It will automatically apply a discount. I use a Pack Talk Bold with my kids, with my wife, and then with the crew locally here. And it's an amazing product. I love it very much. Anyways, check them out. Links in the description. See them.